From the project screen, tap New Project at the bottom left. The New Project sheet gives us a project name, an aspect ratio, and optional ways to start from a template or imported edit. Tap the project name field and enter Weekend Walk. A descriptive name makes projects easier to find when your library grows. We will choose aspect ratios in the next lesson, so keep the current selection for now. Tap Create in the top right. RayCut Pro opens the new project directly in the editor. The empty preview and timeline are expected because we have not added media yet. Notice that export is unavailable until the project contains something to export. Use the back button to return to projects. Weekend Walk now appears as a project card and is ready to reopen. Next, we will choose the right aspect ratio for the platform where the video will be published.